Greetings, fellow cigar box guitar enthusiasts. In this video here, I'm going to show you how to make stain from blackberries. All right, there's a blackberry bush, a big old blackberry bush that's right behind the workshop here. I'm going to take you over there. I'm going to show you, and we're going to harvest it and get some of this in this bucket here. So follow me as we step outside, and hopefully I don't fall over and kill myself jumping over this fence here. Beautiful day outside. It is. All right, so here we are, crossing the street. This is my neighborhood too, by the way. Gorgeous. Check out this blackberry bush. The bush actually belongs to my neighbor, but he's cool. He doesn't mind, and it's just covered, literally covered with these things. So you have to resist the urge to eat them because they are delicious. And there's millions of these things, and trust me when I say they make stain. The birds eat these things and crap on your cars, and it's hard to get the stains off. So anyhow, I'm going to harvest a bunch of these guys here. Check them out. Seriously, can you see all them? There's literally millions of them, so I'm gonna start picking. All right, here we are back in the woodshed. I got about 3 dozen of these things here. And so what I'm gonna do then is just get a bowl and a spoon, and I'm just gonna smash them up after I eat a few. Delicious. All right, I just made a fretboard from a yardstick that I got here. This is a just tempered 25-inch scale fretboard. And here is the stuff is black, seriously. So let's apply it to the fretboard. Made sure to put some scrap underneath here so I don't stain everything. All right. I'm really curious to see how this works out. Like jelly jam. Now seriously, this is what you call good taste. All right, we got this thing fully coated and it's dripping, and I must say it looks awesome. Oh my gosh. All right, so kind of clean it up here a little bit. I have no idea what's the best way to do this because it's just a mess. All right. Imagine the licks that are going to come off of this fretboard. Get it? Tasty licks. Delicious. All right, so it's kind of purpley, but that is awesome. Wow. All right, so let me clean it up a little bit better than that, and I'll show you the final product. And I figured out what to do with the leftovers. Delicious. Wow. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're done. Notice how it says, do you have it all covered? You know what I think? I think this is a sweet fretboard.